I thought I should just give you a little bit of a warning about the Australian sense of humour. It can be a little more irreverent than most people are used to. I'll give you a quick example. On the 17th of October in 1967, this man, Harold Holt, he was our 17th Prime Minister, most important position in the whole country. He went swimming in the ocean and was never seen again. We literally misplaced our Prime Minister. I don't think any other country has done that in the history of the world. And of course, for most nations, that would be something that we would always remember with respect and with sadness. But what did we do in Australia? We built a swimming pool in his honour. We call tall people shorty, we call bald people curly, we call our politicians the honourable. We just always are saying the opposite of what we mean. Pronounce this word. Good. That's a good start. I. That's right. Might. Okay, and you put them all together and you'll get it right. You ready on the count of three? Good eye, might. That's perfect. Well done. Everybody now, greet the people around you with a good eye, might. I brought along some Australian treats, and if you ask a question or make a comment, contribute to this session in a positive way, you will get either a caramello koala, so it's a koala-shaped chocolate filled with caramel inside, or you can get a clip-on koala, which you don't eat because it's furry and got claws. For coming late, you get Vegemite. Okay. I'm going to give you an activity to do that will introduce you to the idea of cross-boundary collaboration. The people in the room who speak a language other than English, could you please stand? I want our multi-language people to help teach our English speakers the 4 most useful words you can ever use in your travels. My friend will pay. So off you go, teach them in your language. You're my symbols. Off you go. Now I'm going to riff over the top, an introduction to Lee to get him the stage. You ready? Okay, keep going. Oh yes, we make an extraordinary team. You're the sort of audience of which I've always dreamed. You're a rockin' and a rollin' and a movin' and a groovin'. So let's go wild as we welcome Lee Rubin! There you go. I want to learn a little bit about you now, and I'm sure that all of our presenters in this session want to know a little bit about you. So just with a show of hands, how about you show me who here is from a venue? Hands up who's working for a venue. The vast majority of people. Okay, thank you, hands down. Who's here from a destination? Also the vast majority of people. I don't know how that works mathematically. In his spare time, of which it sounds like there is none, he plays the bagpipes, which some people describe as the missing link between music and noise. Not me. He also loves to bake cakes and has a bakery called the Fat Sparrow Bakery. I believe he specialises in making tiny apple pastries, but finds it difficult to survive on such small turnovers. He's on his way from misery to happiness today, so let's hear a big round of applause as we say hi to Graham Mackay.
Good choice.